It's important to stress, though, that we do support the need to reopen our city regions, our economies, and return to a more normal life. But we need to do that as safely as we can, respecting the views of all of our residents. So from Monday, here in Greater Manchester, we will continue to require the wearing of face coverings on all Metrolink services using the conditions of carriage. In effect, this will be a continuation of the current position. Unlike the Mayor of London, we do not have the same powers over buses and trains.
And certainly one of my priorities as the Mayor of West Yorkshire is to keep the people of West Yorkshire safe, which is why today I mandated the use of face coverings in bus stations across West Yorkshire from Monday. We know that the YouGov poll recently done has said that 71% of the public would be happy and content using face coverings going forward. So I'm asking the government, please listen to the public and put the vulnerable first.
And the fact is that we have 6 Metro mayors here, all with different powers, and none of us are able to do what the Mayor of London has done. So my plea to government is show your commitment to levelling up by giving local areas the power we need to be able to run our own transport networks in the interests of local people, their safety and their health.
We wouldn't make obeying the speed limit voluntary. Minimising the spread of COVID should not be voluntary. On the Tyne-and-Wear Metro, we will use the conditions of carriage to keep mask wearing compulsory. But transport devolution in this country is so haphazard that I have no control over buses or local rail services. And that is something we need to fix.
In South Yorkshire, we've decided that we'll make face coverings mandatory at the bus stations we control right across our region from Monday. Now, a national mandate from the government would no doubt be less confusing for passengers and I'm sure more effective.
I've written to the Prime Minister today because I feel this is a ridiculous mismatch of rules right across the UK. My constituents get on buses and trains from the west of England to Wales and London every single day, and yet when they get off at the other end, there'll be completely different rules. It's too confusing, it's not safe because of the confusion.